And welcome back. Well, the quest to look and feel younger, it's never going to end. With advances in science and technology, we get a little bit closer to youthful forever every single day. Joining us live from Las Vegas this morning is Dr. Deborah Manjoney from the Wisconsin Vein Center and Medi Spa. And I'm so excited to chat with you. Why are you in Las Vegas?
Well, I'm in Las Vegas to attend the Cell Surgical Conference, one of the largest conferences for regenerative medicine. And I'm very excited to be here.
You should be. I mean, listen, you're always on the cutting edge of everything. I think in the beauty industry as well as regenerative industry. And that's something you and your husband, Dr. Scott, have been doing for a long time, right?
Right, things tie together. You know, my husband and his partner, Dr. Tadych, have been working out of my spot for about 3 years now, offering what we call stromal vascular fraction, or the stem cell producing areas around fat cells, to help with orthopedic type of problems and other problems. But we've also been using platelet rich plasma now for probably 7 years, I think, with microneedling and with other things. We really love the idea of using your own body to heal your body or to rejuvenate your body.
I agree. And I think that's the way the future is going to go, right? Instead of putting
I
other
agree.
things, it's really going to be using our own selves. And that's what you're there for, is that those sort of
That's right.
advances. So you talked about PRP, which is one of my favorite things with microneedling. I think it changes your skin. You've used it for hair restoration,
We
and
use
there's
it
also
for
things like
hair.
fat transfers.
That's right. And so now with fat transfers, we also can combine it with platelet-rich plasma so that you get the growth factors in platelet-rich plasma with the actual, well, we can't really call them stem cells, but the cells that are located around the fat, so that these cells can actually stimulate your own body to produce younger cells. And as I said, we've been using it for injuries, but we've also been using it a little bit now to replace other types of fillers that we might use in the face. And we're using it in other ways to speed up healing after laser procedures, which are also, of course, stimulating your own body to produce new cells and younger cells. And so it's just, something that I guess I'm kind of addicted to lasers, and this is just the next step.
Yeah, there's even what, laser liposuction, is that right?
Right. What we're doing now is a little bit of laser liposuction just for harvesting the fat that we can use fat for filler in the face. And so with this device, we're able to really speed up the whole fat harvesting by having a laser just kind of loosen things up a little without any injury to the fat at all. And we're able to use those cells then, after we put them through several different filters to get them to a smaller size, to actually inject into the skin of the face and into the tissues to replace fat loss that we see with aging. But at the same time, what
Wow.
happens is you get a beautiful, beautiful effect on the face and on the skin, because you're seeing a much younger, more beautiful looking skin. And so this is somebody we did a couple of years ago when I was just starting out with it. And, instead of using hyaluronic acid fillers or other types of fillers, I used your own fat. And it's a longer lasting effect that you'll get. And now this fat that we're using, being harvested the way we're starting to harvest it, actually will stay around much longer than the previous fat transfers that were being done.
Well, and what we need to know is that's the point, right? We lose volume as we get older, and a lot of that is some of that beautiful, beautiful, youthful fat that we had in our face, right? And so
Exactly.
is this the one that's called Beautifil?
This is Beauty Fill. And so what it is, it's a way to harvest the fat. It cleanses it right away. It washes it even before you use it. And it's really making it kind of almost a one-step process to get the fat you need to replace wherever you want to place it in the body.
Okay, so these are obviously things that are incredible. Are they going to be offered? Because here's the thing, I feel like you're sort of letting us in on the secret being there
Right.
in Las Vegas. Are you planning on bringing all this back to Wisconsin?
Some of it for sure. I want to feel really skilled at doing any of these things before I really offer them to the public. But yes, my plan is to start doing some of these things to replace some of the other methodology we're using, so that we can actually use your own body to make your body younger.
I feel like this is like at some point we are never going to have to look old.
Well, those of you who are younger are going to have that availability, I think. but some of us have just missed the curve, but we still want to bring it to the public.
I think that's incredible. So here's the deal. I love it. A lot of people don't know about you that you were a cardiothoracic surgeon. And so I feel like everything that you do, you thoroughly vet, you really figure out how to do it, and you do it right. And so it's pretty exciting that you're there finding out the cutting edge new anti-aging techniques.
And I will try to bring as many secrets back to share as I can. So I'm really looking forward to the conference. It's going to start in about half an hour. And we're here in Las Vegas, where it's going to be about 110 degrees today. But I'll be inside, and I'm sure wrapped in a sweater for the conference.
I love it. So good to see you, doctor. Thanks for joining us today. I'm going to give some people more information on Beautiful as well.
Thank you, Tiffany. Great to see you.
You too. Have fun. Bring back some good stuff for us. This Beautiful has not officially launched, okay? So you got to stay tuned over the next few months for availability for Dr. Manjoney to bring it back. To see a full list of all their current services, visit wimedispa.com. And as always, if you've got any questions, they can tell you what's best for you at 262-746-9088.